Hey guys and girls, this is Nagu from Nagudaran.com. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can sell that affiliate product in the right way to earn the huge commissions, right? So basically that affiliate marketing is comes into the three steps process, right? So that first step is, let's pull up my Jamboard. So the first step is find the product, right? Then the second step is just get approved for unique link. Then the third step is send the unique link to the right people. So I just make this color is little bit different. So these are the three process you need to follow in the affiliate marketing to earn big commissions, right? So you first, as a first step, you need to find the products, and the second step, you need to get approved to promote that particular product. Then finally you need to send this unique link to the people wherever they have interested, right? So but the main thing is these two processes are very easy, right? It's very easy. Even the school going students can do these two steps on that affiliate marketing, but the real tough is comes into this part. So if you are doing this part is wrongly, you cannot get single or any commission on it. You cannot earn single dime on this, right? So this is the place where 99 percentage of peoples fall into to made a mistake, right? So why? Because they simply, once they find the product and get the unique link for that product, they simply send those link wherever they can send it. Literally they will send their link to the globe, right? So basically that people who don't have an interest on the particular things, they not even look into that, right? So this is the way the many newbie internet marketers are doing that affiliate marketing. That's why they are not seeing any commissions on it. So today I'm going to tell you that right way to do the affiliate marketing. So to get the high conversion rate while you are promoting your product, what you need to do after you done these two process, the third process, you need to target this unique link, right, to the right people, right? So this is the very important steps. Now you may ask me how you can find the right people or the people who have interest on that product you are going to promote. Well, so in this video I am going to show you that with the live demo session, so you can learn more about this, about my live demo. So before we are going to that live demo, so I just want to let you know, if you are watching this video is a very first time and if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please press the red subscribe button down below this video and make sure you have switch on the notification bell button, so that every time I go live or I uploaded a video, you will get a notification, right? Okay, so as the first step in the affiliate marketing, we need to find the product that we want to promote, right? So in this particular demo, I am just going to take this particular product. It's a Proof Liffey. So it's basically providing that social proof on that website. So if you see here, you can see here, now I'm browsing this website, but you can see in the down corner you can able to find something, some pop-ups will come, right? So this particular social proofs is proven. So you see here, so that Saka Flip is purchased Prooflify from United States. So if I am interested to purchase the Prooflify, and if I am getting some kind of cat on the wall mindset, then suddenly this pop-up will show, right? So that someone from purchased Prooflify from India, or someone is purchased the Prooflify from United States, like this one pop-up will come in periodically. Then my cat on the wall mindset will change, and I can, or I may purchase this product. Do you agree? Hope you will agree, right? So this is called that social proofing, and that social proof is basically increasing that conversion rates of the particular product, usually high. So that the normal conversion rate, you can, if you get is a 10%, then if you put that social proof on your page, it will increase the conversion rate from 10% to 20, 30 or 40, right? So definitely it will increase the existing conversion rate from 2x, 3x or 4x kind of thing. So this is the good product to promote, but to whom should I promote? That's the question, right? So I currently this Prooflify doesn't have that direct or public affiliate program. Anyway, I have an account with this Prooflify, so I have a special private invitation to promote this Prooflify. So I am going to use that particular link for promoting this Prooflify. Anyway, if you are trying to promote the product like this, then just go and Google it. There are so many products are there like this, that social proof product, right? So once you get this product, the most important step is this, right? So we need to target the right audience to post our link, right? So here for this particular product, who will be that right audience? So basically, who wants to increase their conversions, right? So basically, that if the someone is want to increase their conversion, then they should be a marketer or product creator or service provider on the internet, right? So if someone wants to sell their own product or service, they need a good conversion. So we need to target those people, and we need, if we find they doesn't have that social proof on their page, then we can target with them. Let's find the peoples who doesn't have that social proof on their websites, right? So for that, what I'm going to do, I just open that Google and search the keyword is called our service, right? So basically I'm just put this our service inside the double quotes. So it will return that list of websites which is having that our service, right? So if I search this, so I can get that list of services. So what the meaning of this our service? So whichever websites are providing that our service for you, then they are ready to serve something to their clients. In return they will get some money, right? So here you see that as a first website is a Goodle, right? So goodle.com. if I go to this website, so basically that goodle.com is providing that service for their client, for that whether you need prompt assistance over the telephone, replacement of a particular component, and inspection or maintenance of the service teams, act quickly, right? Basically they are providing some kind of services to their client. Okay, I found this particular website doesn't have that social proof, so what I'm going to do, I'm just contacting this particular website owner to promote my social proof affiliate product, right? So because generally that social proof will increase the conversion, so they actually this person want the higher conversion rate for his particular product, but this person doesn't have that conversion booster as in the name of social proofing, right? So I'm going to contact this person. So for that I simply finding where his contact us information is there. In that about Google it's not there. Usually they have, so here is that contact us form is there, right? So if I click this contact us, so this is the form they have provided. In some websites actually make sure no actually on not all the websites are having the contact us form in the same format. Each and every website it has their own contact form, or some websites they provide their email ID, so you need to pick that email and send the email to them. If otherwise you can use their contact form here. So that key is the message what you are going to send to them, that is the key. So let me follow. I will show you what the script you need to put to contact them to promote your social proof affiliate product, right? So the script is here, right? So hey, good day, you just need to greet them, right? So I found your website through Google search and was impressed by your sleek website design and neat content. I am sure you are already getting clients because of the professional looking website. I believe you like more paid clients. I know the simple one line of HTML code will increase the conversion rate. Let me know whether you want to receive more clients or not. You may reach me at nahu@nahudharan.com. Thank you, right? Okay, so I hope you may be noticed on this particular scripting, I didn't mention any link that point to my affiliate offer link. You may be get some kind of curious then how that people will click my affiliate link and purchase, right? So as I already told you, so we need to find the right people. So that right people, it means who have the real interest on our product. For them only we need to show our affiliate link, right? So in this case here, even though we find this particular website, this Google website, it doesn't have that social proof link. It is not necessary that website owners want to get the social proof on his website, right? So first we want to get, we would like to know whether that person is having the interest on the benefit what the social proof is providing. So what benefit is social proof is providing? That social proof product is providing the more conversion rates on the sales page or funnel or whatever it is, right? So if the particular person is liked to get more conversion rate by doing some simple trick like this one. So this message is, as I mentioned earlier, is sent him in the curiosity based angle, so they will definitely come back to me over my email ID. So then as a reply to his query, I can send my affiliate product to him with the link, right? So I hope you understand. So this is the right way to promote the product. So once again I am showing the 3 steps are there to promoting that affiliate product in the right way to earn big commissions, right? As a first step, you need to find the product, and the second step, you need to get approved for that product, right? For that product. And the third step, you need to send your affiliate link only to the interested people, right? So this is called that right audience, right? Okay, so you have enjoyed and you learned something from my tutorial. So I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.